the Samsung Galaxy A14 emerges as a standout choice in the budget category. Samsung's Galaxy series spans a wide range, but when considering value for money, the A14 shines brightly. It delivers commendable performance and boasts an impressive battery life, though like most budget phones, it does cut corners with its camera capability. The Samsung Galaxy A14 doesn't reinvent the wheel when it comes to utilize the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, accompanied by 4 GB of RAM and a robust 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. Yet it elevates the user experience by enhancing the display to FHD+ while maintaining a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, a notable achievement for a phone in this price bracket. Moreover, it arrives at a price point $50 less than the previous Galaxy A13 5G, offering Android 13 and One UI 5.0 right out of the box. During our evaluation, the Galaxy A14 proved its mettle. It managed to churn out respectable photos under favorable lighting conditions, handled day-to-day tasks with ease, and the battery effortlessly powered through 2 days of use. A significant advantage of opting for this model is Samsung's pledge to provide software support, promising security updates for 5 years and Android version upgrades for 2. This level of commitment to keeping the device current is rare for budget smartphones, making the Galaxy A14 an exceptional proposition. All things considered, the Samsung Galaxy A14 represents excellent value. Its combination of solid performance, durable battery life, and Samsung's reliable update policy make it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a quality smartphone experience without breaking the bank. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed.